Have you ever felt like a small fish in a giant pond where the big corporations have all the best tools and resources while you are just trying to keep your head above the water today? For decades, the massive companies dominated because they could afford expensive data, scientists, and huge marketing teams that small businesses simply could not fit into their limited budgets. But the landscape is shifting rapidly because of artificial intelligence, which is finally giving the little guys the same powerful tools that used to cost millions of dollars to acquire. Today we are going to explore exactly how AI is leveling the playing field and why there has never been a better time to be a small business owner looking to scale your local operations. Let us start with the most immediate benefit, which is cost efficiency, because AI tools allow a single person to do the work of a whole department without hiring dozens of new employees. Think about tasks like content creation or basic bookkeeping that used to take hours of manual effort but can now be handled in minutes by smart software that learns your specific needs. This means you can reinvest your saved capital into product development or expanding your reach rather than spending every penny just to maintain the status quo of your daily operations. Moving beyond saving money, we must talk about advanced analytics, which used to be a luxury reserved for those with massive server rooms and dedicated teams of statistical experts. Now even a boutique shop can use AI to analyze customer behavior patterns and predict future trends with incredible accuracy, allowing them to stock exactly what their customers want. By understanding these data points, small business owners can make informed decisions that minimize waste and maximize their profit margins in ways that were previously just impossible. Personalized marketing is another area where the big players used to hold all the cards through massive advertising budgets and sophisticated tracking systems that were out of reach. Today, AI algorithms can help you craft hyper-targeted campaigns that speak directly to the individual needs of your customers, making every marketing dollar work 10 times harder than before. You can automate email sequences that respond to specific actions or create social media content that resonates with your niche audience without needing a creative agency on retainer. Customer service has also seen a massive revolution thanks to AI chatbots that can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously, providing instant support at any hour of the day or night. This means a small startup can offer the same level of responsiveness as a global corporation, ensuring that no customer feels ignored and every lead is captured the moment it appears. The beauty of these automated systems is that they free up your human staff to handle the complex problems that require a personal touch while the AI manages the routine questions. When you combine all these factors, you see a world where the size of your team matters less than the quality of your ideas and the speed at which you can implement these new technologies. Big corporations are often slow to change due to their complex hierarchies, while small businesses can pivot and integrate AI tools almost overnight to gain a massive competitive edge. This agility is your secret weapon because you can experiment with different AI solutions and find the perfect fit for your specific workflow without needing approval from a boardroom. We are seeing a new generation of entrepreneurs who are building million-dollar companies with just a handful of employees by leveraging AI to handle the heavy lifting of business. It is important to remember that AI is not a replacement for human creativity, but rather a force multiplier that allows your unique vision to reach a much larger audience than before. The barrier to entry for many industries is crumbling as these tools become more affordable and accessible to anyone with a laptop and a desire to build something truly extraordinary. Whether you are running a small bakery or a growing software company, the ability to harness data and automate tasks is the key to thriving in the modern digital economy we live in. One of the most exciting aspects of this shift is how AI helps in identifying niche markets that were previously hidden beneath the surface of general market trends and statistics. Small businesses can now use AI to find underserved communities and tailor their products to meet those specific demands, which creates a loyal customer base that giants often overlook. Furthermore, the integration of AI into supply chain management allows small retailers to compete on shipping times and inventory accuracy with some of the largest e-commerce platforms. By optimizing the route of every delivery and predicting stock shortages before they happen, you can provide a seamless experience that keeps your customers coming back for more every time. We must also consider the impact of AI on lead generation, where smart algorithms can identify potential clients who are most likely to convert based on their online behavior and habits. This precision allows you to focus your sales efforts where they will have the most impact instead of cold calling thousands of people who have no interest in what you are currently selling. As we look toward the future, the gap between small businesses and big corporations will continue to shrink as AI becomes even more integrated into every facet of our daily professional lives. The real winners in this new era will be the business owners who are willing to learn and adapt to these changes rather than fearing the technology that is designed to help them succeed. You do not need a degree in computer science to get started because most modern AI tools are designed with user-friendly interfaces that anyone can master with a bit of regular practice. Start by identifying one repetitive task in your business that takes up too much of your time and look for an AI solution that can automate that process for you starting from this week. Once you see the benefits of that first step, you will be inspired to explore even more ways that technology can transform your operations and help you reach your most ambitious goals. Remember that the goal is not to become a robot, but to use these tools to enhance your human connections and provide more value to the people who support your business every single day. The playing field has never been flatter, and the opportunities for growth are truly endless if you are willing to embrace the power of artificial intelligence to fuel your unique journey. I want to thank you for spending time with me today to explore this exciting topic, and I hope you feel empowered to take your business to the next level using these incredible resources. If you found this information helpful, please consider following along for more insights on how to grow your brand and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly changing world of business. Stay curious and keep building, because the future belongs to those who are brave enough to innovate and use the tools at their disposal to create something meaningful for their community. I look forward to seeing all the amazing things you will achieve as you integrate AI into your strategy, and I will see you in the next video for more tips on achieving lasting success.